All right, so we're on eurekacrate.com/headphones, and
Can we
ready for the audio test?
Yeah, can you plug it in? Oh, let me plug it in.
Okay, so you should be able to hear a tone in your left ear and then a tone in your right ear. Okay, so left ear comes first.
Okay.
Ready? There we go. It's playing. Do you hear something?
No.
Oh no. What? Are you kidding?
No, I'm not kidding.
Is the volume thing on your phone on?
Oh, it's
Oh yeah, maybe because of this. It's at low. I'll put it medium. Ready? Let's try again.
And then make sure the volume switch thing is on.
Oh, I can hear something.
Yes, finally.
Whoa.
Okay, I want to hear.
Okay, so low means that you cannot hear anything.
All right.
High means that you can hear something.
Careful.
High.
Go.
Then high.
Oh.
Oh, wait.
It goes boo, and then it switches to the right ear and boo.
No, it goes both after that.
Huh?
It goes both after that.
Oh.
Left and both.
Wait, hold on. Put it back on. So that is the audio test. Now step 3, we're going to play audio clip 1.
What?
Ready? Put the headphone on. Got it? It's only 11 seconds left. And then I want to hear. It says close your eyes and listen. Can you hear where the sounds are coming from?
Yes.
So you hear distinct left ear, right ear?
Even though I didn't close my eyes.
I don't hear anything.
Oh, it's on.
It sounds like there's things coming from both sides. It's just a bunch of melody. Oh, it's because I was trying to talk. Sorry, because I was trying to talk over the music. Step 4, we repeat with audio clip 2 and audio clip 3. I'm just gonna play a short bit.
Wait, I want to do it first.
Yeah. Ready? Can you hear where the sounds are coming from? Okay, can you hear where the sounds are coming from? This is clip 2.
Why did you make it so loud? I hear people talking. They go. Ready?
Wait. Yeah, there's like different sounds coming from each side. Okay. Now I'm gonna do clip 3.
Anyway.
This is my favorite one. It's so loud. Medium. It's so loud I need it to go on medium. I like it.
Okay, now I'm curious about what you're hearing.
I put on medium since it was so loud.
Aww. Oh shoot. I went all the way to the top. It was so loud.
Yeah.
Alright. And now audio clip 4. Okay, so for audio clip 4, you should only be able to hear it on your left ear.
Let's see.
Alright? Ready? Can you hear?
Oh, wait, it's on there. There. Whoa!
Okay. Can you only hear it from the left side?
Yeah.
So if I were to take off the left side, then you cannot hear it as
A
much?
bit of it is going from here, actually.
Okay, let me take it off. Take it off.
Wait. But most of it is going on the left side. Most of it. Wait, I'm gonna make it quiet first. Ready? For loud?
Don't go all the way to the top. It will hurt my eardrum.
There. Let's clip number 5.
That's weird. I heard it on both ears.
Yeah.
Okay, now let's check audio clip 5. You should only hear it in your right ear. Is that right?
I can hear on both, but
Okay,
most
then
of it is on the right.
But alright, that's a problem. That means we did something wrong with the wiring. So we have to check steps B5 and B11. Let's see. Oops, wrong one.
I really don't want to do Eureka crate anymore today.
B5. Wait, no, this is A5.
There, B5.
Okay.
Red to yellow, black to black. Leave the blue alone. And then B11 is...
Hold on.
Wait, I remember the poems. Okay, step 11 is blue to red, black to black. Leave the yellow alone.
But first is the left ear.
So first, so you always do black to black, and
Wait, the first one, leave the blue alone.
the left ear, you do the blue. Leave the blue. After that, it's the yellow for the right ear. Can I take a break?
No.
I really have to go to this.
Is it P? Go P. Okay, so the left side is good.
Okay, it's the pasta. Or maybe the Eureka crate in a big they did maybe they did a picture of typo picture of. Yes, I invented that word, picture of.
Alright, let's check the right side.
Please be wrong. Please be wrong. Or else we are doomed. Doomed. Can I take a break?
No.
But I'm confused. Oh, do you know what? I'll take that as a yes.
Wait, no, I need your help soon.
What do you need my help?
Unscrew one of these sides.
Unscrew?
Just unscrew this.
That's all you need help.
Yes. No, with your hand. I already. You don't need. Just do that.
I can't do it.
Here, I'll start it for you.
I cut my nails a few days ago.
Me too.
A few days ago? Maybe a week ago.
Yeah. Ay, ay, ay.
Hey, you're blocking my turn.
Looks correct.
Wait, the yellow. Yeah, the yellow is. Wait, but this isn't clipped. Is that the problem?
Could be.
Do making things. Wait, do you think we should just wear it like this first? And because if we have another problem, then we don't have to unscrew it and screw it back.
Okay, let's try again. Hold on, let me put. Oh shoot. We have come across a problem.
Okay,
Yeah, it's still going on. Hold on, no, you cannot just go when there's a problem.
Did you stop the screen recording for that?
Hold on. It could stop.
No, you did not.
No, I'm sure it's stopping now.
Yeah.
Okay, let's go and stop it now. Alright, I'm gonna stop this too for now, okay?